In a quarter mile, merge onto I-285 South.
Come on, Kanye!
Welcome to Crafting with Cass. I'm Cass, and welcome back to Crafting with Cass. If you're back and you're ready for another DIY project. So in today's project, I'm going to be showing how you can easily upgrade a clear phone case from the dollar store, as well as I had just another clear case that was pretty dingy that I had laying around, and I'm going to be upgrading it just using some spray paint and some letters. So if you want to see how these stylish phone cases turn out, then let's go ahead and let's get right started. So this is a really easy upgrade to a basic phone case. So I'm just basically just giving it some good coats of spray paint and then making sure each of those coats dries in between the next coat. And then I'm using these letters that I pulled from a message board that I'm also going to be spray painting, that you can see that I'm doing as well, so that it can match with the actual case too. And then after I got the desired amounts of coat spray painted on the case, then I glued my letters to it, and I just decided to use some cute, fun, phone-related phrases to add to it. Thanks for watching. Give this video a thumbs up and subscribe with the bell to see what I'm crafting next.